Tired of dull, distorted sound from your car's speakers? Imagine your favorite songs coming through crystal clear, with deeper bass and richer tones, just like the day you first drove your GM vehicle. That's exactly what you get when you replace your worn-out speakers with ACDelco GM Original Equipment car speakers, the GM recommended choice for restoring your audio system's true quality. I recently swapped out my factory speakers, which were blown and made from cheap, paper-like material, for these ACDelco replacements. The difference was immediately noticeable. The speakers are built with high-quality black rubber surrounds that not only look sturdier but also deliver a fuller, deeper bass response. These speakers are designed to fit perfectly in your GM vehicle, matching the original specifications for form, fit, and function. That means no awkward modifications, no rattling, just smooth, reliable sound that lasts. What sets these speakers apart is their genuine GMOE manufacturing standard. They're engineered to handle the alternating current from your radio or amplifier, converting it efficiently into mechanical energy that moves air and creates sound. This precise engineering ensures consistent performance and durability, so you can enjoy your music without worry. If you want your car's audio to sound its best again, these speakers offer the quality and reliability you expect from General Motors. If you're looking to replace blown or outdated factory speakers, ACDelco GM Original Equipment car speakers are worth a look. They provide a straightforward upgrade that's easy to install and delivers a clear improvement in sound quality. Try them when you're ready to bring your GM vehicle's audio back to life with the dependable performance only genuine GM parts can offer.